Hey guys, ever stumbled upon a file with a .vag extension? It's actually an audio format primarily used in PlayStation games. These files store compressed sound effects, voiceovers, and music tracks, optimized for gaming performance. However, due to its proprietary nature, many media players won't recognize it out of the box. But don't worry, I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to play and convert VAG files. You can find the download links of all the tools introduced in the description. Let's dive in. MF Audio is a classic audio tool for processing game audio files, including the VAG files. It doesn't seem to be updated anymore, but it's still worth a try. Open the tool. Click the Open button to add a VAG file. If the file is in a known format, all the details will be automatically filled in. Now you can click the Play button to play the VAG file directly. If conversion is needed, you can set the output format to the WAV option. Click the Save As button to choose a location and give it a name. Finally, click the Process button. Once completed, you can play the WAV file using any media player. This is a browser-based audio player that supports the playback and conversion of multiple game audio files, including the VAG files. It's pretty easy to use. Open your browser and visit its webpage. Simply drag or upload your VAG file. Then click the Play button to directly listen to it online. You can also click the Download button to save it as an audio file in WAV format to your device.
Rejected!
If you have many VAG files that need to be converted, this tool has you covered, with its powerful capabilities for video and audio processing. Launch this tool and open the Converter module. Drag and drop your VAG files into the window. After loaded, you can play each VAG file with its built-in media player.
Our free nations will not fall.
Congratulations, comrade. Through your...
To convert them, expand the output format list on the right side. Go to the Audio category and select a preferred output format. Here I choose the MP3. Choose a directory path at the bottom. And finally, click the Run button for the batch conversion. Once completed, locate your converted files and enjoy. That's it. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.